Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. Here I am going to discuss details of Kaveri Jet Engine. It is an Indian indigenously developed jet engine. Okay, as we know that for the fighter aircrafts, the jet engine is used for its propulsion. And till now, what the fighter jets developed in India or which is brought from the other countries. Those aircrafts are using the jet engines from the other countries only. Even though the some aircrafts are developed in India and their engines also purchased from the other countries like US, Russia, France, like that. And that's why the engine is the main component of the fighter jet. And that's why if you develop ourselves the jet engine, then whole aircraft or a fighter jet can be manufactured in our country only. And that is the reason the India is putting the path ahead to develop the indigenously developed jet engine. That is a Kaveri jet engine. And here I am going to discuss the details of this Kaveri jet engine and what is its status till now. That details I am going to discuss here. Kindly subscribe Engineering Explained channel. If you have subscribed, kindly share and comment. The Kaveri engine is an indigenously developed turbofan jet engine. The turbofan jet engine means jet engine there the combustion of the fuel taking place inside the engine just like an internal combustion engine, and that will provides the propulsion force by the burnt gases, and that will makes the movement of the that aircraft forward direction by the exhaust gas force. And the turbofan jet engine is frontly there is a turbofan is used which will compresses the incoming air, and that will send to the jet engine for the combustion, and thereby its the combustion efficiency as well as the more fuel can be burned to generate the more power. That is the turbofan jet engine by India's Gas Turbine Research Establishment GTRE, a lab under the Defense Research and Development Organization. Okay, within that lab, this development is going on. Initially conceived to power light combat aircraft LCA tejas, the project is now focused on other applications like powering unmanned combat aerial vehicles UCAVs and naval vessels, and potentially for future fifth generation fighter aircraft advanced medium combat aircraft AMCA. Initially it was used for the planned to use in the LCA, but due to delay it will be uh, planned to apply for the different applications as here mentioned. Development: the Kaveri engine is a twin spool turbofan engine designed for high performance and reliability. Initial purpose: it was originally intended to be the power plant for the Tejas LCA, but due to delays the Tejas now uses the General Electric GE F404 engine, which is a US based engine that is used in the Tejas. Current focus: the engine is being adopted for various applications including unmanned combat aerial vehicles UCAVs. The Kaveri derivative engine KDA is being developed for UCAV applications, particularly the Kaveri derivative engine which is used for this unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Naval vessels: the engine has undergone integration trials on naval platforms also. Future fighter aircraft: it is being explored for use in India's upcoming Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft AMCA. Self-reliance: the Kaveri project is a key part of India's push for self-reliance in aerospace technology and aims to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers. Till now, the no jet engine developed by the own users in the fighter aircrafts, and that's why till now it is depend on the other countries only. The self-reliance will be possible if it is developed and successfully launched to use in the this fighter jets as well as the naval vessels. Testing and progress. The engine has undergone extensive testing, including high altitude trials and integration on various platforms. Recent developments. Trials in Russia. Some reports indicate that the Kaveri engine is currently undergoing final test in Russia, possibly for integration into unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Fund Kaveri engine trend. A growing online campaign is urging the government to prioritize the Kaveri engine project, highlighting its potential to bolster India's defense capabilities. Here in India, as we know that till now we are not having, even though fifth generation fighter aircraft, up to 4.5 generation aircraft we are having, and that's why the reason is that the Kaveri engine is the potential to use in the fifth generation fighter aircraft AMCA, and that is the reason the Indian the, the Indian population urging the government, okay, to prioritize and the project, the fund is to be released for the project, okay, so that that should be completed as early as possible. This is the reason to have the recent fighter aircrafts in our defense. BrahMos collaboration. BrahMos Aerospace is involved in developing a new afterburner section for Kaveri derivative engine, potentially enhancing its performance, which is to be used, that is unmanned air combat aerial vehicles, and that is the BrahMos collaboration is also possibly going on. Kaveri 2.0, an upgraded version of Kaveri engine, is also in development, potentially for use in the Tejas Mk1A, that the new the fighter aircraft. This is about the Kaveri engine. That Kaveri engine, the fan and compressor part, combustor and turbine part, and nozzle. Here, the details about the jet engine, how works, that I have discussed in the different session, and link for that I'm going to give in the description. You can refer and watch that also. The technical details of all this Kaveri engine not available because of the it is a defense project, and all the components as well as its upgradation all are confidential. This is about the indigenously developed Kaveri jet engine, and the engine if you develop and will become a self-reliance, and so that will not depend on any other countries for the engine, okay, to propel the that our aircrafts as well as for the naval vessels also, and that is the reason we are going to fund it, and also we should prioritize this development of this engine. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.